welcome back to the Anita Sauce, and today I'm going to be making this slime. So let's get on. So the ingredients are this powder that makes the slime, this water, and these for decorations. So this slime is really good for kids because it does not get stuck in the carpet, because we don't need glue or activator, so it's really good if you don't have any of those things. So let's open this up. Okay, so now we've opened it. Just pour it in, all of it. So after you've put it all in, you get to have the water. So the water, you do it up to about the line. Okay? The line. And then you just pour it in. Now mix with the spoon that it gives you. Mix, mix, mix. It will eventually get to goo. So after it's gotten to goo, you have to wait 5 minutes. In about 5 minutes. So what you're going to do is you're just going to mix it a little bit more. Just a tiny bit more. So after you've mixed for about 2 minutes, it's time to take your slime out. Your hands might get a little bit sticky. If you do not like sticky hands, I would recommend still just stirring it in the bowl. So what I do is I just go like this with the slime, just stretch it like this. So my mum is holding my baby brother right now, Jackson. So that's why if you can hear some weird noises of spitting, it is my baby brother. Hello, Jackie. You know when it's finished, when it's not sticky. This is still a little bit sticky, so I'm going to keep doing it. Oh, and did I say that it was scented? It smells like muffins. So, after that, just put them. I just like to put them on the table. Then just stick them on myself. But you can do it anyway. I just do it that way. So, I'm just going to keep adding decoration. And then there is my slime. And also, if you do these steps all correctly, you will get other slimes. So I made this slime as well. And I also made 2 more slimes. I made a Valentine slime, a sunshine slime, and obviously a chocolate slime. And now I made a mint slime. Also, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!